wish I had the number to my younger self. I'd pick up the phone and say you're only 12, and you've lost more than most people do. You don't know it now, but there's still more to lose. Cause friends move away and people get older. Your heart's gonna break over and over. You're not to blame, so don't blame yourself. I hope this helps. You're gonna